We are given a sum like this. If sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degrees, find a. To solve these types of sums, or to find the value of the variables in these types of sums, we need to apply the properties of trigonometrical ratios. One of them is sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta, or cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. And one more thing is, if sin A is equal to sin B, then we can write A is equal to B. The angles are same. When the ratios are same, angles are same. We will apply these two in this sum. I will prefer to convert cos, means this one. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. A minus 26 can be considered as theta. Therefore, we can write, given sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degrees, or sin 3a is equal to, here if we convert cos, can be written as sin 90 minus a minus 26 degrees. Simplify this part. Sin 3a is equal to sin 90 minus a plus 26. Simple algebra. Or sin 3a is equal to sin 116 degrees minus a. Now we have the same ratio, both sides, same ratio sin. As I have written here, if sin A is equal to sin B, A is equal to B. Therefore, the angles are equal now. 3a is equal to 116 minus A. 116 degrees minus A. Now apply algebra. Take A to the right side. 3a plus a is equal to 116 degrees, or 4a is equal to 116 degrees, or a is equal to 116 divided by 4 is equal to 29 degrees. That's it.